Good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I just want to unbox this digital weighing machine up to 10 kg. See here in the previous video, I have just unboxed this Indus Valley branding Tatka. Okay. Tatka. If you want full details of this unboxing video, just find it in the description. And this is digital sealing machine, so you can seal the packages, the food packages or other packages if you open it. For the reuse, this would be very useful. This is also rechargeable and this is also rechargeable, and this is the t-shirt. All these links I'll be posting in the description. Just find it. Now I'll be unboxing this digital meter. This one, see here, this Vyog 10 kg rechargeable weighing machine. Sorry, yeah, this one. Okay. If I have to show you fully, this I purchased for 274 rupees. Vyog 10 kg rechargeable weight machine with fast response sensor for shop and home weighing scale. Okay. This got 3.6 ratings. Now let us just unbox this product. Okay, I'll be keeping this aside. Let me just open this. And the main thing I purchased this product, absolutely this product, is because this is rechargeable. So it works with both the battery, AA battery or AAA battery, and that too you can directly use it as a rechargeable weight machine. So double benefit. That's the reason I purchased this, because there are other products which are less than 270 or 280 rupees, but still I prefer this just because of this rechargeable purpose. So this is the package. Okay, here. Electronic compact scale. This is what it is mentioned here. Electronic compact scale used in wide range of appliances including kitchens, offices, warehouse, laboratories and industries. If you purchase groceries or maybe meat like chicken, fish or anything, see here, this is the adapter. You can plug and use it. At the end of the video, I'll be showing you by keeping in the kitchen plug-in area, and I'll test few. And the battery is also provided, very good thing. And one more thing here, right now I won't put on the batteries, because whenever there is need, at that time I'll be placing this batteries. Now I don't insert these batteries. And see here, user manual. They have given the user manual. Okay, calibration. Okay, I'll just keep this aside. Okay, these are the features here on the box. They have mentioned here. Auto shut off, they mentioned. Outside calibration, auto zero tracking, auto back length optional, countable function, low battery indication, kg, grams or O's conversion, means you can convert. Large LCD, okay, 5 digits, 20 mm height, large square weight pan and net weight stability. Okay, so for this to operate, either we need to keep these batteries or we need to use this power source. The main reason I purchased, as I already mentioned, is you can use it with the power source or the adapter. So where can I keep this? This is the backside portion. Okay, two AA batteries. Okay, we need to insert here. Here you need to insert two AA batteries. Right now I'm not going to insert the batteries, so I'm just keeping it like this. Where I can, yeah, here, see here, there is a port here given, so I will plug in here. What I'll do is I'll go to the kitchen area, and the first thing we'll test the weight is this Tatka. The Tatka what I have just unboxed, the Indus Valley pre-seasoned Tatka. On the site it is mentioned like 1.8 kg. Let us check now. Let us go to the kitchen area now. So I'll be keeping this. There is a light indicator here. So for the first time, what we'll do is we'll turn it on. Okay, sorry, it is not getting turned on, so I made a mistake. Maybe we compulsory need to insert the batteries. Sorry for that. Let us insert the batteries now. Yeah, these are the batteries. Let me quickly insert this. Okay, okay, as soon as the batteries were inserted, this got lit up, so I'll be just placing this okay. So this adapter is for recharging the batteries. Okay, maybe if I keep like this, and if we put in the charge, see here, maybe the batteries gets charged. Okay, now we don't need this, so what I'll do is I'll be keeping it here. See here, 1020 means 1 kilo and 20 grams. Okay, I'm just testing it now. This is 1 kilo and 20 grams. Let us check in the online for this, so that whether it is giving me the correct weight. And see here in the online section, let me zoom it. The weight, it is shown like 1070, but it is showing like see 1020 to be precise. Okay, yeah, I will be checking another weight here, which is very less. This is the Potronic mouse, which is 60 grams. Okay, there are other options like mode here, O's. Okay, this is the conversion from kilos to this is kilo, right? This is kilo, right? If I click on the mode, 61 grams it is saying, 22 O's, the conversion as it is mentioned, 134 lb and 0.61 kilo, 0.061 kilo, sorry. Okay, like this you can test. I'll test some vegetables also. Okay, these are some vegetables just for checking purpose, which I bought like 250 grams, and I use some more, and the remaining, see here, 160 grams. So you can just change the mode to grams here, 160 g, in the sense 160 grams, if you're okay with that. Okay, what is this tear? I need to test this. Okay, okay. Okay, if you do have any other question, you can just ask in the comments. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day. And these products unboxing I'll be showing in the next video. Okay, and for this unboxing also, find in the description.